When you buy a mobile phone, you expect it to serve you. Well, people do different things with their phones, so it varies from user to user, from gaming to photography and social media itself. Someone threw a flip in this video in slow-mo, and you definitely don't want to miss that. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also to put your honest comments in this particular video. This is my honest review on the Samsung Galaxy A12 from Blaze channel. Sit back and enjoy this video. This is going to be a very interesting video. It's a quarrel between a cool guy and a nerd on the Samsung Galaxy A12. Don't afford to miss this quarrel. Stay tuned. So for the physical attributes of the Samsung Galaxy A12, you have your plastic back and your quad camera setup. A little bit beautiful, but I don't really like it. You have your flashlight here. On the right side, you have your volume button and your power button as usual. The power button serves as the fingerprint biometric sensor also, so it has dual function. On the left side, you have your SIM ejector tool, which is the usual. On the top, you have noise cancellation, and on the bottom, you have your 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charger, and your regular speakers. So the Samsung Galaxy A12 has a plastic back and an IPS LCD display. Believe me guys, I tried my best to make this display look very presentable, as it's a very bad one coming here from Samsung. I mean, I can't even describe it. The Samsung Galaxy A12 I have with me here is blue in color, but I believe there's also a black and white variant, but the blue is the best for me. So the unit I have here has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has a Helio P35 processor, which is too mediocre if you ask me, from Samsung. So now let's look at some camera samples from the Samsung Galaxy A12. If you look at these pictures, you see that the 48 megapixel of the Samsung Galaxy A12 camera is a major scam. Please feel free to say anything you feel about these photographs in the comments. I want to know your honest opinions about this camera. I personally do not like them. They are trashy and don't look like 48 megapixels at all. So if you look at the gaming of this phone, you actually see that it's actually good for regular games like Asphalt, for regular people. When you try to play complex games like Call of Duty, you regret being a player in that particular game. So when I tried playing Call of Duty with the Samsung Galaxy A12, I regretted being a player in this particular game. This is the first time I can open my mouth to clearly say that a phone's processor is rubbish. This is nonsense. The game plays like you're a Teletubby. It glitches so much, the phone overheats, and nothing works according to how you want to play it. You die very easily because you don't even understand what you're doing. This is a no-no. If you play games, please do not buy this phone. And if you're opportune to have this phone by mistake, please sell it for something better. I'm not going to show my usual gameplay like in other phones because I got smoked in this particular match. The phone is very stupid when it comes to gaming.
It has a very bad camera. Don't send any photo you snap to this phone to Jessica. She'll stop liking you immediately. So imagine, so after all this 4 camera setup, girls can't even see my fine face in picture. Very bad display. I mean, it's IPS LCD, but it represents pictures like drawings. Can you imagine? Bad display. And I thought Samsung was the king of display. It has a mediocre processor, so you can imagine it's not going to play your games very well. It has a Helio P35 processor. So it has a Helio P35 processor. Can I play Call of Duty with it? It doesn't have screen recording. How will I now record my Call of Duty gameplay? You have to download a third-party app to screen record your Call of Duty games. It has a plastic back, so when the phone falls it won't scatter. I know you're a very careless human being, so the phone can fall on the floor and it will not break. Let me try it. Another thing is, it's a Samsung phone, so you're definitely going to get updates earlier than other regular Android phones. Android updates. Are you sure that one will not chop my data? Come and show me how to enable updates. The phone has side fingerprint gestures. Check it out, it's cool. Are you sure? Side fingerprint gestures. Come and show me. It also has clone apps feature. That is mad. You can have two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. So I can use this phone to wine two babes. Come and show me.
So when it comes to streaming videos and doing regular stuff like WhatsApping, social media, YouTube, the Samsung Galaxy A12 does very well because it's regular stuff. So it only means one thing. This phone is for regular people who just use their social media, watch news and stuff on their phone. It's not for high-end processor performance. So you can just use it to watch your regular anime, football matches, and do regular things. But when it comes to gaming and other stuff, this phone is a very big no-no. By the way, this is one of my favorite anime fight scenes from Jujutsu Kaisen, so you can enjoy. For our crypto and forex friends, you can use this phone to analyze your market and charts without any issues. So
I don't really like this guy, but you guys should subscribe to his channel. He's very good. He's giving you the truth about this Samsung Galaxy A12. So don't forget what the cool guy says. Hit the like and subscribe button. Also put your comments down there. I want to know what you think about the Samsung Galaxy A12, whether it's helping you or not, and how this video generally is. Thank you very much.
So that's all for today, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my very next YouTube video. Your favorite tech YouTuber is signing out. Bye. You enjoyed the backflip video in slow-mo, and next comes behind the scenes. Thank you for watching up to this extent. You'll be rewarded with the beautiful sight of slow-mo backflip.
It has a plastic bag, so when it falls down it will not scatter. Just like cheese. It has IPS L. So this is my cameraman David. David, would you like to be the bad guy for this? Maybe.